Can you hear that? Can you? Although you can't hear it, I promise the vibes are vibing. Welcome to Womanizer's latest innovation and first ever lay-on clitoral vibrator, the Womanizer Vibe. Ooh la la. Featuring Womanizer's latest technology, UltraWave Vibration. What's that, you might ask? Vibe's UltraWave Vibration offers deeper, richer, rumbly vibrations, coupled with a super soft, silky touch. Users, and by users, I mean me, describe the Womanizer Vibe as feeling more natural, gentle, yet deeply effective. Trust, the Womanizer Vibe just hits differently. And the Womanizer Vibe is noiseless, letting you focus on your pleasure without worrying about who else might hear you. Perfect for those with busy home lives or roommates. The Womanizer Vibe invites you to truly enjoy the silence. Vibe has 3 autopilot modes featuring 3 10-minute pleasure journeys, inviting you to sit back, relax, and be guided to climax. Now, for the piece de resistance, Womanizer Vibe's unique shape. Look at these pleasure edges. Its ergonomic design lets you find your angle to fit your mood. Position Vibe from broadside to pointed tip to enjoy versatile vibrations. And with 10 intensity levels, you're sure to find your own rhythm. I'd even call this a pleasure symphony. Plus, Vibe is easy on the eyes with 3 super gorgeous colors to choose from: sage, dusky pink, and dark blue. It's not just a vibrator, it's a vibe.